Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you? This is me Ahsaan Yaseen and you are watching Ahsaan Yaseen YouTube channel. So friends, I'm going to unbox another mobile phone which is Nova 2. You see, very beautiful mobile phone within an economical price. All right, so you see, guys, so this is the description, auto description 128 plus 6 GB. Color is Diesel Black Techno LE7. EB number, as you can see, guys. So, well, let's open this. This is left actually. Wow, this is beautiful. So guys, you see 7000 mAh battery, ठीक है, Helio 85 processor, G85 actually, 6.9 FHD dot in display, ठीक है. So 48 megapixel artificial intelligence camera. So the name of this model is POVA 2. So let's, sorry. So guys, we are going to like it. See, you see, this is mobile phone. तो देखते हैं बाद में, देखते हैं और क्या क्या दिया उन्होंने. So guys, this is cover free of cost. This is very beautiful transparent color for the mobile phone. Warranty conditions, TECNO की तरफ से 12-month warranty. Copy, जो कि कोई भी नहीं बढ़ता. Well, this is branded charger. Oh, the most beautiful, interesting data cable, charging cable ऐसे आप कह सकते हैं. और ये है आपकी headphones. You see, branded headphones हैं. Well guys, so this is, let's unbox it more. So you see, this is, this is beautiful. Wow, crystal. Can you see me? Hello, can you see me in this? Well guys, this is very very beautiful mobile phone. बहुत economical है. So guys, you see, it's very crystal like. There are 3 cameras, 4 cameras total. LED light is there. You see, shine. Wow guys, you see the edges, sexy. ब्लैक कलर है, सो वॉल्यूम अप एंड डाउन, पावर बटन, सो चार्जिंग केबल वाली पोर्ट, और क्या क्या है इसके अंदर, एंड सिम निकालने के लिए पिन भी है. सो गाइस, लेट्स ओपन इट. वाओ, it's iOS, so let's start. Select your country. My country is Pakistan. So where is Pakistan? Skip karunga because I don't have this like skip. Policy है जी, इसको क्लिक कर दीजिएगा. नेक्स्ट, more. Skip anyway. Start. Is letting you know. Wow, this is just beautiful. So guys, इसको चेक करने के लिए first of all we will go to the setting area. ठीक है, this is the, you see, power to 6 GB RAM, 128 GB ROM इसकी स्पेस है, हार्ड डिस्क भी जिसको कहते हैं. और उसके बाद 8 मेगापिक्सल इसका फ्रंट कैमरा है, एंड बैक कैमरा विच इज़ 48 मेगापिक्सल कैमरा. गाइस, Android 11 is an operating system, and you see 1080 by 2460 is the resolution. 7000 mAh, boys. Guys, 7000 mAh battery is more than enough for 2 days. So you see, I'll click on it, and you see Helio G85 is the CPU latest technology. And as you can see, this is the warranty card. ठीक है, online you can check it online. ठीक है, register करने के लिए I'm not registered yet, but you can. Device name, model is TECNO LE7, Android version 11, which is actually latest. So what's next? HIOS number, build number, uptime is just, I just opened it, you know. Slot 1, slot 2, 2 SIMs. Well, EMI1 to EMI address, blah blah blah. Lots of things are there. So guys, this is very beautiful and economical phone. As you can see, 6.9 inches display. I think it's kind of tablet, but very beautiful and very economical. Guys, बहुत कम पैसों के अंदर you can see बहुत economical पैसों के अंदर इतना प्यारा मोबाइल फ़ोन है. So guys, मुझे ज़रूर बताइएगा आपको वीडियो कैसी लगी. Please subscribe my channel if you did not. अगर आपने सब्सक्राइब चैनल मेरा नहीं किया हुआ तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, और मुझे ज़रूर बताइएगा कि आपको ये वीडियो कैसी लगी. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो. अल्लाह हाफिज़.